Maco, we are changing the world of door locks and opening up the multi-point door lock security market. From the bottom up, the patented top hat faceplate provides a stylish finish. The unique weather sealed bolt, manufactured from steel, combined with the security hook, incorporating industry-leading overrun design, delivers independent security with class-leading performance. Protected with a wax-coated, high-sheen, rust-free nanotechnology, the Maco fully adjustable module system connects to the central lock case. The unique soft close latch and retention snib provides controlled access, enhanced by the versatile split spindle system. The high-quality engineering inside, perfectly aligned for the smoothest operation and ease of use. The handle-activated 20mm anti-tamper deadbolt provides maximum security and total comfort. The effortless rotating internal driver delivers up to 10-point locking, independent of the key action, with the added security of the overrun design. And the inbuilt spring return system ensures reliable closing every time, optimized with best-in-class, maintenance-free self-lubricants. Each latch is fully reversible, tool-free, ensuring that the latch is always fully retained within the sealed lock casing. A door fitted with a Maco multi-point lock is guaranteed to provide long-term peace of mind. Your security, beautifully engineered.